Hi guys, good morning and welcome to What's on Your Stays and Tips. Today I came out for shopping something, and there was a really nice store, but unfortunately it was closed, so I had to go and take from metro station. Yes. Yes, so we are on the way. Sometimes it happen always like the same, that when you are in a hurry, so it happens. It's getting late, so today I am in hurry because one of my friend is at home, and she needs to go to university a little bit early. But the problem is that I have to go to shop for buy something. So yeah. Yes guys, so we're almost near to the shop, and in Norway in summer Norway is like heaven. Trust me guys, it's really beautiful. Sorry guys, it's on background, it's someone is grinning or something like that. But yeah, the thing with Norway is that Norway in summer is heaven, and in winter is on winter it's hell. So I will take some videos in winter also for you guys. But whomever came to Norway, they just fall in love with Norway summer. All over the Norway it is green, it's really beautiful. So I was just going to buy something, so I thought I can take some video of Norway to show you guys the nature of Norway.